Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make honey Dijon garlic roasted pork tenderloin. Pork tenderloins are one of my go-tos for easy dinners. The recipe is usually super simple and it's quick to make. For this recipe, you'll need a 1/4 cup of whole grain Dijon mustard, which is super pretty. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of honey. Then we'll whisk in 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk this all together. We're gonna pour this mixture onto 2 whole pork tenderloins. Coat it on all sides. Make sure you're using a pork tenderloin and not a pork loin. Those are 2 different cuts of pork. We're going to sear this in a skillet on the stove and then finish it off in the oven. So preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and get a large, heavy, oven-safe skillet heating over high heat. Add a tablespoon of olive oil to that hot skillet. Then you'll add in your pork tenderloins and get them searing. You want to brown off each side, which takes about 2 minutes per side. As you're searing it, you can brush on any remaining sauce that may have dripped off. Once it's seared, you'll grab your skillet and transfer it to the 400-degree oven to finish cooking. You're looking for an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit for the juiciest pork tenderloin. How long it takes to get there will depend on the size and thickness of your tenderloin, as well as how long you seared it. So I recommend using a meat thermometer to ensure 100% accuracy. It should take you somewhere between 10 and 15 minutes. You want to check the temperature in the very center of the meat, and you're looking for, oh look at that, a perfect 145. Last up, check out my recipe for the best dinner rolls ever. It took me 5 years to develop this recipe, but it was worth every moment of the wait. These are the perfect soft dinner roll. You will love them. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.